In this video, I'm going to make an update to the problem I had with some squeaking sound coming out from the center console area, right behind the radio area here. And the viewer sent me a comment about the fact that he found out that if you press the climate button here, then that sound goes away at that period when the climate is activated, the climate control. I tried it and I didn't have success with that. But when you press the air recycle button here, which shuts off exterior air coming into the cabin, then that sound goes away. So let me quickly show you what I mean. I'm going to, now it's switched off, I'm going to drive off slowly and let you hear that sound. You hear that? Now I'm going to switch on the air recycling. So now that this is switched on, I'm going to take off, and usually that sound comes on when you accelerate away from a stand still. And nothing. The sound has completely gone away. So let me just drive around in a circle. I'm braking now. Absolutely nothing. It's fully silent. So that means that it has something to do with the air recycle system behind here, and it's somehow connected to the car's speed moving forward or backwards. Absolutely no sound. So let me switch it off. Do you hear that? Some grinding noise. And now the sound is back. I'm going to continue my investigation about the sound and maybe study about what could be the interference between the air recirculation mechanism behind here and the car moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated.